Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the watch is in standard timekeeping mode. This ensures the digital module is active. Next, make sure the analog hands are not blocking the digital display and manually move them near 12:00 if needed. Once done, disable nearby magnets and strong electronics that can interfere. Make sure you know the model number on the case back. This tells you whether the watch supports auto-hand home position calibration, and it speeds up the next steps. You now enter the watch's hand setting mode, following the model-specific button sequence. This disconnects hand servo from regular time updates so you can adjust. Next, set the digital time precisely to the reference time. This prevents drift once hands are aligned. Then, use single presses to nudge hands or hold for continuous rotation until they match the digital readout. Make sure to cycle through hours and minutes so both hands track the digital module correctly before exiting the mode. You finish by exiting the adjustment mode and verifying synchronization at different times, for example 3:00 and 9:15. This confirms continuous tracking. If the hands deviate, re-enter hand adjust and repeat incremental corrections because small misalignments compound. If repeated attempts fail, perform a full reset or check battery voltage. Low power can prevent correct hand positioning. Finally, if magnetization or mechanical wear is suspected, demagnetize or seek a service center. These issues require tools or replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.